Here is a list of numbers. Can you predict what number will be next in this list? And what about this one? Can you predict what will be the next number in this list? Such a list of numbers where one can see a pattern and predict the next number is called a number sequence. And in this video, we will try to visualize some number sequences. I hope you are ready. Let's start with this number sequence. What was the next number in this sequence? If you said 5, you're absolutely right. But what was the pattern that you noticed here? Yes, these are counting numbers or natural numbers. Pictorially, we can represent this sequence like this, where each dot represents one unit. So what's happening in this sequence is, for finding the next number, we are simply adding one unit to the existing units as shown here. Let us see another interesting number sequence. Notice any pattern here? If not, here's a hint. These numbers are called triangular numbers. Now, there are multiple ways to find a pattern here, but we will try to do it pictorially. As the name of this sequence suggests, these are triangular numbers. Let us see if we can form any triangles with these numbers. Let us have one represented by a point. Then all these numbers will be represented by these many points. You can pause and count as well. Whoa, these are too many points, isn't it? Let's keep all these other points away and focus on progressing from number 1 to number 3. Notice any pattern related to triangles? If we try to arrange these 3 points as a triangle and compare it with the number 1, it seems like we have simply added 2 points to this arrangement. Let us try to progress further from number 3 to 6 in order to make sure if this pattern continues. Again, when we arrange 6 points as a triangle and compare it with the number 3, it seems like we have simply added 3 points this time to get this arrangement. Continuing further from 6 to 10, we will notice that there is another row of 4 points being added as shown here. So in short, we are adding 1 point more than the previous row to get the next row while making sure the triangular arrangement stays constant. Similarly, here we can see a sequence of square numbers starting from 1, as we can see here, where the arrangement is in terms of squares, as you can see here. Another very interesting number sequence is this one. This sequence is called sequence of cubes. But why are they called cubes? It is because to represent this pattern pictorially, we need to go beyond points and instead represent the first number of this sequence with one small cube. Once we do this, we will notice that if we try to add more smaller cubes to make a bigger cube, we need to add these many cubes. This means the next cube number is 8. We can continue adding smaller cubes to this arrangement as shown here to get the next cube number, that is 27. And continuing further, we will get the next cube number, that is 64. Hopefully, this video gave you some insights on visualization of number sequences. But before we move further, let us discuss another amazing number sequence quickly. Suppose we have this one small cube. If we double the number of cubes to get the next number in the sequence, we'll get 2 small cubes. But why stop here? Let's double these 2 cubes as well. Then we'll have 2 times 2, that is 4 small cubes. If we double it again, we will get 8 cubes this time. We can keep on doing this forever. Notice we obtained another amazing number sequence here. This sequence is called powers of 2 because the numbers of this sequence can be expressed as powers of 2 as shown here.